Vaccine tracker now in the U.S. hits two milestones in the fight against COVID. The CDC now says that more than 50% of adults have at least one dose. Also, every state has now expanded eligibility to people 16 and older. Now, here in Davidson County, about 37% of people have at least one dose. Julie Palazzo is live at the Music City Center with a new strategy to get people vaccinated. It starts today.
Yeah, good morning, Neil, and that's going to start in just a couple of hours from now. So the Pfizer vaccine will be offered to the first 500 walk-ins here at Music City Center. It's all on a first-come, first-served basis. Now, this comes just 1 week after some of these appointment slots that have been filling up very quickly were going unfilled. A lot of openings, according to the Metro Public Health Department, since the clinic opened in January. Metro's goal is to get at least the first dose of the vaccine to 50% of Davidson County by May 1st. And right now, as you just heard, that number around 37%. This will help keep the momentum going. Last Monday, more than 2,100 doses were administered at Music City Center. The number started to dip in the middle of the week to about 1,600. Nashville has slowly lifted more COVID-19 restrictions as the vaccination rate rises. Health experts from across the country say cities have to look at not only the vaccination rate, but the rate of the virus as they plan for reopening.
It is tough to make projections about how, when we can when we can open up, when we can relax, when we can actually resume normal activity or go back into the workplace. And so I think it's critical to look at the disease activity. We never in public health look at just a vaccine coverage level as an indicator for when things are normal. What we do is we really look at the disease activity itself, and we don't let our guard down. We continue to do our public health measures.
Appointments are still highly recommended, but if you'd like to take advantage of this walk-in opportunity, you can do so 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Reporting live in Nashville, Julie Palazzo, News 2.